Your Excellency, before I call you to speak to us and to speak to the country, allow me to digress just a little about your highly successful trip to the United States. Kenyans were very proud of the way you represented us in that great country. Your speech, your kizungu ilikuwa sawa kabisa. And Kenyans were very happy that you put Kenya on the world map and the gains that you negotiated for the country. But Your Excellency, allow me, as a truthful man, to tell you there was a little challenge rising from your trip to most of us here. All Kenyans were monitoring what you are doing in the States. And there is something that you're doing there that created problems to many husbands across the country. When you are walking there holding the hand of the First Lady, it put us back here under a lot of immense pressure. Your Excellency, our spouses, led by mine, Pastor Dorcas, were demanding that we emulate the president and hold their hand wherever we go. Mine, and you know she's a pastor, even went beyond that. I walk her to the car. She was even saying around the house I hold her hand. And I was not alone. Najua Musalia, we call each other Omwami. Kaniambia Omwami, hii maneno hii ya kushikana mikono kwako inaweza leta shida vile imeleta kwangu. Nikamwambia Musalia, kwangu ndio tabu iko mingi zaidi. So Your Excellency, we had that challenge. But I knew, because I know you, you will solve that problem for us when you come back. I was certain, I was sure. And this morning you did just that. As we welcomed you from your car to the hold room to here, you are walking fast with me, chatting, as Mama Rachel was trying to catch up with you as we came to this room. So the matter is sorted. That was an American thing. But Your Excellency, at least for my wife, Pastor Dorcas, all is not lost. Very soon, the President will send me to the States for my assignment. I'll go with you. You have my assurance that for the time we shall be in the American soil, I'll hold your hand until we leave the country. But when we come back, please, let's go back to our lives. Your Excellency, finally, although you have sorted the problem for us, ukiwa rafiki yangu na mtu wangu lazima nikuibie siri. Nimepata habari, kwa hiyo maneno utaitwa kwa main conference, halafu utajibu. With those